everyone, today I'm going to talk about how to adapt to a new society. Clap your hand once if you have ever changed your community. Okay, since I know myself, I feel I'm very open-minded, extraordinary and extrovert girl. At least that's what I thought. However, in 9th grade, I had a crucial moment that changed my outlook on life, my view for issues, and even my perception of myself. My family moved to another city, from Taraz to Almaty. It was very difficult, so in that moment I found out that Haruki Murakami wrote in his Norwegian Wood a beautiful phrase. Doesn't it seem wonderful to you to drop everything and go where no one knows you, even your name? Seems wonderful, however, from my own experience, whether you are moving to a different region in your country or moving abroad, joining a new community is not always easy. There may be different customs, laws, languages, and general ways of life that you are not familiar with. This was the problem which I faced. I had 2 stages of self-destruction. The first was depression. It was very difficult to start a conversation in a society where everybody has known each other for a long period of time. I felt like I was a black swan and really was afraid not to fit their criteria. So misunderstanding between me and my classmates produced a new problem. My academic performance declined as much as it was possible, and I was just watching how my life started to be ruined. However, the second stage was denial of the situation. I asked my mom to leave the city and move back. However, there are some life situations that we cannot control, thus we didn't move back. My mom didn't see the whole situation that I was in, and she truly believed that I could solve this problem on my own. The situation where I had to leave my comfort zone and start a conversation with my classmates was during biology project. The project wasn't easy to deal with, and teacher was grading very hard, that the only way to pass the course was to cooperate and make it. So we did it. We didn't sleep for maybe 8 or 9 hours, and we just worked very hard. So as a result, we won. So what can I say? When the change appears, accept it. You may not be ready for it, but it's okay. So change is constant, so we usually don't notice the little or expected changes. It's always when you are caught off guard, though you can get discombobulated. But I hope that starting from this moment, changing your community or joining a new society will not be that difficult for you, and I truly believe that you can do it. Thank you.